Many people would say that we do need the law. However, that idea is debated.
Why do we need the law?
Ooh, okay. Why do we need the law? Well, okay, many people would say that we do need the law in order to function as a society. However, that idea is debated. Some would say that there is no need for a formal law. Others would say that would lead nothing but to anarchy. And this is the discussion around this area as to whether we need a law or we don't need law. I think of a story that goes back to biblical times where ancient Israel wanted a king. They did not want to govern themselves just with, the law of love or have God as their king. In that case, they wanted a specific physical king to lead their nation and to give them laws. And I think what that story reminds me of is that people would rather trade their freedom for security. And so effectively, that's what we're doing when we say we need laws in society. We're trading our natural freedom, our God-given freedom, for what we call security. And you think of the state of nature, philosophers have discussed this idea. What does the state of nature look like? Society aside, man-made rules and laws and constructs aside, what is the state of nature? We find ourselves out in nature. What are the laws? What are the rules? And you can even look back into history and to see exactly what happens. And what happens in some cases is that bigger groups of people attack weaker groups of people. And this is where we get modern day government and lawmakers, because effectively what happened is a strong group of people came along to a group of people, a civilization, and essentially made a trade with them. They offered their services to protect that society in exchange for that society to pay them taxes and to give up some of their freedoms. So that is, listen to their rules. You will do this, you will do that, and you will do the other thing. And you will pay us so much of what you make. And in exchange, when there's another strong group that approaches, we will protect you from that strong group. So your village won't get burnt down and your people won't get killed and other horrible things won't happen. And so people choose to give up their natural freedoms in order for a perceived and perhaps a real sense of security.